Imagine a world where the goofiest, most endearing creatures on our planet are the stars of their own show. Picture a squirrel, tirelessly working to bury his treasure, only to forget where it's hidden moments later. Visualize a dog, tail wagging, tongue lolling, chasing its own reflection in a mirror, convinced it's another pup wanting to play. Think of a cat, the picture of elegance and poise, misjudging a leap and tumbling off a table, only to land on its feet, dignity somewhat intact. In this world, the laughs are endless, the moments unforgettable, and the stars, well, they're as cute as buttons. Welcome to the realm of the animal kingdom's most adorable bunglers. Here, the goof-ups are just as endearing as the creatures making them. From squirrels to dogs to cats, they're all here, sharing their delightful blunders with the world. Remember, in the grand tapestry of life, it's the silly, unexpected moments that make us smile the most, and these animals, they're masters of the unexpected. So sit back, relax, and let the hilarity ensue.